Mr. President, distinguished ministers, ladies and gentlemen, first on behalf of Finnish government, I would like to extend my deepest condolences to all of you who lost someone close to your heart in Sunday's plane accident. Thoughts of all UNEA 4 participants are with you. Mr. President, the linear economic model has come to its end. In order to steer our societies to a sustainable path, we need to take giant leaps towards a circular economy. At the same time, we must reduce material consumption and switch from product-based to service-based business models. This is the message from the scientific community. And this is the path member states should walk, because we will not meet the goals of the Paris Agreement and the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development without circular economy. Halting the loss of biodiversity is essential for sustainable development. Unfortunately, we often underestimate the importance of biodiversity, ecosystem services and nature-based solutions to our well-being, health and very basic needs such as food and clean water. Circular economy can be part of the solution, and it will help us curb the demand for virgin raw materials and relieve the pressure on natural resources. We need to turn the page and step up our efforts to protect the only planet we have. For Finland, circular economy is a key element in our transition to a carbon-neutral and resource-wise society. One important tool in our national transformation has been the Circular Economy Roadmap. It includes more than 60 concrete projects and administrative measures that support circular economy. We have been testing new solutions, particularly for sustainable food systems, timber construction, recycling of municipal waste, and rehabilitation of contaminated land. We also provide incentives for sustainable and innovative public procurement, new product and service innovations, and circular economy investments. Finland is happy to note that circular economy has gained increased attraction in UNEA outcome documents. It has been recognized as an important pathway to more sustainable consumption and production. This is a very important message to many countries around the world that are implementing circular economy policies. To summarize, I believe that we need a revolution in the way we think about the economy. The change in our mindset, together with bold policy measures and innovative businesses, can foster the transition from a fossil pipeline economy to a bio-based circular economy. This transition is something we must and we can do, and we must do that together. Thank you for your attention.
Merci, Monsieur le Ministre Tiilikainen.